guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Casey family. In today's video, we will be doing a quick beginner friendly eyebrow tutorial. A lot of persons have been asking me to do this and asking me how do I get my brows so nice and crisp and so natural looking. And though I have two other videos, I will link them down below. I've kind of evolved, and so in today's video I'm going to show you a little tips and tricks that I have picked up along the years. On this one side, I'm gonna show you how I'm late, we gotta go eyebrow, and on this side we got some time. Let's get into it, you know. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now there are a few things that you need to do your brows. You first need a spoolie. It looks like this. You need an eyebrow pencil, or if you use a pomade or whatever you use to fill in your brows, powder or what's not, you need that. You need a flat brush. You need a buffer brush, blended, and you need your concealer. I'm using this Back Radiance Contour Complexion palette. I usually use my LA Girl concealer, but I was too lazy to go take out a fresh one. Anyways, without further ado, let's start. First, you need to get freshly done brows. However, mine is kind of grown out right now because I've done it like 2 weeks ago. Most times I wax my brows so it lasts a month, but if I don't get an opportunity to do so and it's grown out, it's still easy, it's still quick and crisp, right? So the first thing you'll do is brush up your hair. So you need to brush your hair in the direction that it grows, and it grows upwards. So I brush up my hair. This side, like I said, we're gonna do let's get out of here. So you're gonna use a sharpened pencil. I'm using the Princess pencil. If you're in Guyana, you can get that. And I start from right just before my hair thin out. Like right just there, and I line the bottom, and I do the same for the top. Then I start filling from the back, wherever it seems sparse. And then I just drag pencil a bit to the front. I use my spoolie and I brush it up. This is where the mascara comes in. Guys, you take your mascara. This is what my mascara looks like. I scrape off most of the product off of it, and then I just set my brow, mostly to where the dark part is. And this is it. This is the quick let's get out of here eye makeup. Like, we're late, we gotta go. This is what this is given. Now I have some more time, or I'm going to dinner, what's not. So again, freshly sharpened pencil. You use your spoolie You brush your hair in the direction that it grows. You fill in from where it starts getting dark, just before it started to fade, like the beginning of your brow. Do it to the top as well. We're following the direction of our brow and the thickness of your brow as well. Some people overdraw their eyebrows, which is perfectly fine. Some people underdraw their eyebrows and use concealer to clean it up, which is perfectly fine. And there is a trick when your eyebrow is growing out and how you can do that. So you fill it in. Pretty much the same thing. So it's pretty much the same thing as this side, just that there are extra steps. I use my spoolie and I blend my eyebrows. See, quick, ready to get out of here. But I want it to look a little more put together, like, yeah, I did it, but I didn't really do it. So I'm going to use the concealer. I am using the one to sculpt. On a flat brush, you use your concealer. I should have really went for my concealer, huh? And you start from the bottom. I usually start from where the dark part of my brows, like the thicker part of my brows start. So thinner than this side. And you could totally carve out this side too and leave it at its thickness. But this is what I do. Go back in with my spoolie and I just brush. And then I take the blending brush and I buff out the concealer. Or you can use your hand once you don't have on your foundation as yet. And I just ensure everything is blended. Then with my mascara, I just set it so that it stays in place all day. And the mascara also blends it in a bit. So if I see parts are not looking how I want it, I would go back in with my pencil and just fill it in there. You can totally use a brow gel, but I use mascara. And that's it, guys. Simple, simple, easy. This is how I do my brows. So as you guys can see, this side, it doesn't have any concealer. It's not sculpted or anything. This side it is. So guys, this is the end of today's video. Let me know if there is any other tutorial you guys would like me to do. I am not professional in any way, but I can show you my tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the years and what I've practiced on perfecting. And yeah, without further ado, I will be going. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. It's not gonna cost you a single thing, and It's not going to take up much of your time, so please click the red subscription button. A lot of my viewers are persons who are not subscribed, so please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye.